it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect spring and summer dress? I have found it. It is this maxi dress by HAOMEILI. This dress just makes me happy every time I see it. The colors and the flowers are so pretty and just scream summer to me. The fabric is incredibly soft and it is not see-through. The other reason I love this dress is it's very modest. The neckline's not low and it's a maxi dress and it has pockets. So no matter how active I am during the day, I don't have to worry about anything showing that I don't want to be showing. Even on this super, super windy day, I didn't have to worry about my dress blowing up. This is one of those dresses you can just put on and you feel incredibly comfortable. Like you just put on your nightgown, but you look incredible and you're all dressed up. To me, that is a total win. This is a size large. It's very true to size. I'm 5'5" and it goes to the ground almost when I am barefoot, and with some heels on, it's just a little bit above. Very nice. If you're looking for a dress, this is a great choice. And that's my point of view.